Custom admin roles give you the ability to assign the exact permissions your team needs. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's create a custom admin role together.
You can access admin roles from either a specific location or from the global overview. From the left-hand menu, go to Manage, then select Roles. This brings you to the Roles matrix, where you'll see all existing admin roles and their permissions. To create a new one, click New Role in the upper right corner. Next, choose the type of role you want to create. Company roles have company-level permissions, including access to all locations and the global overview. Location roles are limited to specific locations that you assign later. You can base your role on one of Envoy's default admin roles, or start with a completely blank role with no permissions assigned. Let's start with a blank admin role. Under Role Info, give your custom role a clear name and description so other admins understand its purpose. Let's create an admin role for managing visitor approvals. In the Permissions section, you'll see a full list of permissions grouped by category. Use the checkboxes to grant or remove access as needed. Since I'm creating an Approvals admin, I'm checking the boxes next to the relevant permissions. Once you're done checking permissions, scroll back up to the top and click Create. Your new custom admin role is now listed on the Roles page. To assign a custom admin role, navigate to Admins, then click New Admin. Choose an employee to assign, then choose your new custom role. Click Invite. Your newly assigned admin will receive an email informing them of this change.